is, he got it. Kick it. Oh, his wheel is hitting the control arm. Zach out there killing the game with his 200 horsepower. Get that tune. Do it. No tandem allowed. Slow down. Kick it. Yeah, that works. Wonder what gear he's in.
Sounds like he's at like 2,000 RPM.
Yeah, he's idling around the track.
Waiting in line, got Zach here in the E36. Yeah, having fun. Having little minor issues, you know, here and there, but first drift day is to be expected. Having a good time, learning. Yeah. You gonna come back?
Yeah, a lot more seat time than I was expecting.
Yeah, I expected it to be a little worse, but it's definitely been moving. They did a good job. Your tire's delaminating.
It is?
Yep. That wasn't bad. That was okay. Shit.
That was a bad run.
That was not bad, man. Your tires are rubbing hardcore up front, but what are you gonna do?
Not raise it.
Good job. Good job.
Huh? Grinds the shit out of it sometimes.
Yeah. Okay, dude. Not bad.
Huh?
Your tires are still good.
They're cording. They're slapping.
But they just ripped off. It's not actually bad. It's the outside. It just shredded it.
Should I keep going?
Yeah, here, I'll rip it off.
Yeah, rip it off so I don't ruin my paint.
Oh, it's already ruined. Yeah, it's just the inside's fine.
Yep. That's what'll happen.
Yeah, that's why I'm not delaminating tires.
I already cut this one off.
Yeah, you got that one to cut off.
Damn.
That'll pop out. It really will. That'll be easy.
They will?
It really will.
Yeah.
I promise.
Hey guys, here's a little trick every drifter should know. The black marks you get on your car will come right off with a little bit of E85. So this guy, there we go. This rag's pretty dry, but there's still a little bit in there. Like just wiping right off. Look how easy that is. Oh, you know, it's just a little fucking, you know, 1J in a Miata, one of those kinds.
What trans-tunnel modification? What are you talking about?
Fuck yeah. Dude, this thing sounds like it's just stock. Sitting there, purring away. Dalton's car, by the way. Hi, Dalton. They put a lot of time and money into this. Mike Rupert as well, wherever he's at.